Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am once again cleaning my nightmare of an office. I've cleaned this before a few months ago, and I told you guys this is pretty much the catch-all of anything that I don't want to put away so quickly. But anyways, you guys, I just don't understand. So this new year, I am definitely going to be more focused on cleaning and more focused on organizing. So why not start with the room that is a disaster and guys, I just don't understand. I am trying so hard to keep up with this room, but it's really hard. But going forward, I am definitely going to do my best to keep this room nice and tidy. So this is what I am doing in this video, and I hope it gets you inspired to get up, go to your catch-all area and just clean it up, even if it's a room, a table, a desk. I don't know. I hope this video motivates you, and if it does, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys are new here, please, I greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, because I will be doing more cleaning and organizing videos as well as DIYs. So let me be quiet and let you guys watch me clean this hot mess of a room.
It kind of feels like this. Oh, hey, would you stay with me till the sun goes down? Being with you is so easy. Hey, if you want, honey, you can stick around. I don't know what it is about you, but you look so fine, riding shotgun in my car, top down when driving on the highway. The wind in our hair makes us look like movie stars, and you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Come on. I just wanna be close to your body, close to your body, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be close to your body. Give me some sugar, honey, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be. What you say? Wanna stay in a hotel? Champagne and room service all night. Girl, I know this ain't no plaza, but I think we'll be alright. Ooh, come on. Isn't this really what life is all about? Doing what you can to have a good time. But baby, when I'm with you, I have the time of my life.
And then in just a few seconds, I will be struggling to put this ring light away. I don't know how I store this in the little package thingy bag it came with, but I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know, guys. Like, you see me here just struggling away, and then finally I kind of give up and just put it in the bag, just sticking up, and then there you go. That's how I did it. But if you guys know how to actually, like, put this away in your little bag, just let me know, because I look like a fool right now. I was really just struggling.
We've been here too long. I can't breathe, I can't take it slow. We're far away from home, but I can't wait to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. sign and tell me when to begin. Cause every time we leave I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. I never needed love until I saw and I met your eyes. That's why I'm moving close to be here and to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Cause every time we leave I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Oh, let me know now, now, now. Oh, to be here and to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Oh yeah, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lie. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble.
And now to shredding some more paper and mail. I just don't understand why I always get junk mail. Like, come on now, I don't care. Just stop sending me junk mail. I don't know. I think this shredder is the thing that saved my life. However, it is very boring, and I pretty much kind of sat there for at least 30-40 minutes, even to the point where my camera died, and I was like, you guys don't need to be seeing me shred paper the whole 10 minutes. So I just did quickly a little shredding, and I let my camera charge because, you know, my camera never likes to be charged. And that's what I am doing here, just going through all my paperwork to make sure I am not shredding anything I need.
Be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you. Someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me.
And here is my door that I always neglect, and I decided just to clean it up. Just like my other doors, I definitely have to go through this whole apartment and do some more deep cleaning, literally, of all these doors. They're just so gross. I just don't understand why I just let this just happen. But you know, that's the story of my life. But 2020, we about to be clean and we about to be organized.
Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you. Someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you. Someone to show me the way. The light.
So guys, this is getting towards the end of this video, and hopefully my office stays this way. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and also hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video, because you don't want to miss any of my cleaning, organizing videos, as well as DIYs that are coming pretty soon. And I know you guys gonna like it. Anyways guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know what's I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and